Hey, I'm Austin Tucker. I'm a shop ambassador at Summit Cyclery here in Holiday, Utah. I got a chance to ride the 2019 Giant Trance 29er. It's got 130, 115 travel. It has a 66.5 degree head angle with a short offset fork. Makes it feel really lively and playful. The build I rode is the Pro 2 build. It comes with full carbon frame, carbon wheels for $4,300. Super good deal. Over chunky climbing, it performs super good. Those wheels do really like to just roll over things, and I really liked that about it. I did notice that it bobbed a tiny bit when it pedaled, but as soon as frankly, I really never adjusted the lockout, but there were a couple climbs on like some steep dirt roads that I put the lockout on and all bob went away, and it climbed super well. I've never ridden a bike that picks up speed as fast as this one did. Honestly, as soon as I would put the pedal down, it would just go, and it was at like, it was almost a little bit frightening when I would pedal hard, when I would sprint, and like the speed it got to so quickly. Descending, the bike performs surprisingly well for being such a small, light bike. It kind of wants to monster truck over things, and you know, it has a limit because it is a small bike, but it's hard to find them on the trails around here in Utah. Overall, the Trance 29er is a super fun bike, really lively, really poppy. It climbs pretty well, descends surprisingly well for the travel amount. I recommend going over to Summit Cyclery and demoing one of these bikes. They've got a couple in stock for you to try out.